What's up guys, and it's official time. Samsung has just confirmed what we have heard in the leaks. The S Pen is finally coming to the Galaxy S lineup. Not just that, Samsung also talked about their full 2021 plans, but first let's take a look at the official press render of the Samsung Galaxy S21 coming via Evan Blast. This is the only model to rock a completely flat display, which is why it doesn't have those edgeless borders which we're gonna see on the S21 Plus and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I gotta say, Samsung has done a great job, especially if you look at that chin, that is mad thin. Now let's talk about the official statement coming from TM Rowe, aka Samsung's president. He basically confirmed everything that we have heard in the leak. Samsung is indeed planning big things for its foldable Z lineup. The president confirms that Samsung will be expanding their portfolio of foldable phones and offering this groundbreaking category to everyone, which pretty much confirms that a foldable light model is coming in 2021. He also mentioned Samsung's big plans on making even more pro-grade camera hardware with even better video capabilities in 2021. According to the statement, Samsung Galaxy devices will be more than ready to meet the demands of the video obsessed in 2021. It's going to be an epic new year. Now speaking of the word epic, Samsung Indonesia has teased this word. They have this trailer that says something epic is coming. This is how they are basically teasing the Galaxy S21 lineup. Now perhaps the biggest thing out of this official statement is the Galaxy Note experience coming to other Samsung devices. He says the most well-loved features will be added to other devices in our lineup. That pretty much confirms that Samsung will be adding S Pen capability to more devices in their lineup, indirectly saying that S21 Ultra and Z Fold 3 will be getting S Pen. The main reason why they are trying to do this is to eventually retire the Note lineup and make the Galaxy Z lineup the star of the show. So yeah, it's official coming from this happy guy, and it's happening for real. Get ready for the big changes that are coming to Samsung's lineup in 2021. Also in the news, we might actually have a third new color for the Galaxy S21 series. Apparently, Phantom Brown color is in the works for a late launch. It might not be announced alongside with the black and silver model. We have these wonderful renders via Let's Go Digital showing off how this color may actually look. It's like a more of a chocolatey version of the bronze color, kind of have that dark tone to it. Now in addition to the official press render, EvLeaks also posted the specification for the S21 lineup, pretty much confirming what we already know. The interesting thing to note here is the storage capacity. Apparently, all three models will have default 256 GB standard instead of the previous rumored 128 GB option, which is absolutely incredible. He also confirms that in some markets, the Galaxy S21 Ultra will have a 512 GB option. Furthermore, we have battery capacity details as well as some camera details. Again, only the S21 Ultra coming with the Samsung's S Pen support. Now lastly, we have another thank you teaser by Samsung, basically highlighting what they have messed up on. In the previous trailer, Samsung showed how they messed up with their Exynos 990 chip, but now this trailer is completely opposite, showing the hope that is the Exynos 2100 chip, but they're trying to get this point across that they know where they messed up and they have done the ultimate improvement, which is coming with the Exynos 2100 chip. Now speaking of Exynos 2100, it is now pretty much confirmed that it's rocking a 14-core GPU, the Melee G78. However, just like Snapdragon 888, the Geekbench 5 scores are pretty weird and low. This absolutely cannot be true because I get 927 single-core score on my Exynos 990 chip, and there's no way that we have just a little bit improvement in the single-core score on the Exynos 2100. So we just gotta wait for the final official version benchmarks. Now this prototype model is rocking 12 gigs of RAM, which confirms that the Ultra model will have this as its base RAM storage. So that's all the news. Samsung is promising big things for Exynos 2100 chip. It will get officially announced by the end of this month. Also in a couple of days, Samsung will be officially announcing its Unpacked event. I'll be making a separate video on that, and yeah, let me know your thoughts on Samsung officially confirming the S Pen coming to other models, which also indirectly confirms the end of the Note series eventually. Drop your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.